Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning with Maurya. So today we are going to discuss about Internet of Things, in which the topic is Arduino. So the contents of the Arduino is introduction to IoT, Arduino board for IoT, connecting sensor and actuator, IoT communication protocols, Arduino IoT project, data management and analytics, security in IoT, edge computing with Arduino, industry applications, challenges and future trends, and the last one is conclusion. So the introduction to IoT design elements includes and infographic or diagram that show various IoT device connected in a network layout. Layout brief bullet points should be placed alongside or beneath the infographic to keep the focus on the visual explanation. The Arduino board for IoT. The Arduino board for IoT's design elements highlights quality image of the Arduino Uno Nano and MKR series board. Icons or labels to highlight their key features such as consumption and the connectivity options. Layout. A grid or horizontal layout can be used to place each board alongside its feature, allowing for the comparisons. Connecting sensor and actuator design elements use image or icons for of different sensor and actuator. A simple diagram showing how they connect to Arduino board may be helpful. The layout is consider a two-column layout with the sensor on one side, the actuator on the other, and the Arduino board image in the center. IoT communication protocol. The IoT communication protocol is design elements. Icon represent each communication protocols. A table or chart could be useful to compare their range, power consumption, and data rate. And layout keeps the text to minimum, focusing on the visual comparison. The protocols names can be harder with the icons, and the brief details can be underneath. And the Arduino IoT project, the design elements, photo or illustrations of the examples photo projects of brief case study format to tell the story of project impacts and the layout of that Arduino IoT project. A carousel or a gallery layout with each project taking up a slide within the slide, allowing the audience to focus on the one project at a time. Data management and analytics. The data management and analytics design elements. The design elements flowcharts are diagrams showing a data flow from the Arduino board to the cloud, then to the analytics tools. Logos of the platform like Arduino IoT Cloud, Thing, Speak, and AWS IoT. And the layout. A layout is a linear process oriented layout that follows the data journey from the collected collection to inside. Security in IoT. The security in IoT design elements, icons or imagery related to security, such as logs, shield, and a certificate, or a small list of bullet point highlighting the key security and features and best practices. And the layout, the a central image representing security with a bullet point arrayed around it can effectively convey the centrality of security in IoT. And edge computing with the Arduino design element. The design elements diagrams illustrating the concept of the edge computing visual context. Contrast between cloud computing and edge computing can be effective. Layout split the slide into two section, one for cloud computing and another for the edge computing, with the diagram to show how they differ from each other. And the industry application design elements use industry specific image or icons such as a tractor for agriculture, stethoscope for health, it is etc. Small text boxes or bubbles providing us example or benefits for each industry, and the layout, a grid layout with each industry in its own cell, including the image and explanatory text, and the challenges and future trends. In today's era, design element two distinct section or graphics, one for challenges possibility with the cautionary symbols, and one for the future trends with the forward looking innovative symbol, and the layout a clear visual distinction between the two topics, possibly with the challenges on the left and future trends on the right or top and the bottom. The last one is the conclusion. Design element, a summary graphics or a thank you image to leave a lasting impression, including contact information and the last and the layout. A central graphics with the concise summary in bullet point to the slide or beneath it. Contact information should be easy to find and read. Thank you.